It's 3 p.m. and we've arrived in Austria. I've been up since 2 a.m. All I want to do is just have a sleep. Sarah has got other ideas. So rather than me having an afternoon snooze, we're going to head out for our first hike of our trip. And where are we going, Sarah?
Fuschl.
So let's go. So we've just arrived at Fuschl am See, which was a little ferry ride followed by a little bus journey. I'm really tired. I've had about 3 hours sleep. There's no shops that are out. It's a Saturday afternoon, height of the season. There's no one here. Nothing. No shops.
That's why it's good.
Nobody works in Austria, I've decided.
It's a 10 out of 10 on the non-people scale.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 on the non-people scale. Just do a few hours a day. It's the sort of schedule I want to work, but literally, I'm not joking, I'm about to fall asleep. I fell asleep twice on the bus. I fell asleep on the bench waiting to get the bus. Look at this for a gorgeous hotel. Fuschl am See. Just stumbled across this because we can't quite work out how we get onto this lakeside walk. Right, we can start again now. I've had a drink, I'm feeling pretty up for it now. We are in Fuschl am See, about 20-minute journey from St Wolfgang. Check out this lake view. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. So we can't quite work out what to do on this walk. Do we go up to see a ruined castle, or do we, which is about a 3-mile walk?
Or do we walk along this path?
Or do we walk along the path round the lake?
I think the castle's going to be...
Sarah's going for the cat. Let's do castle.
Huh.
And the reason that we're thinking castle is because...
An hour and a half, an hour and a half back.
Hour and a half each way?
It's not going to be though, is it?
Well, it normally is. Look at these llamas. They're fascinating things, they are. So is their necks. Well then, so we're going to do, we decided we're going to head up to this ancient castle ruins at the top of Fuschl am See lake. Hopefully we'll get some lake views and we'll get to have a wander around some ruins of a castle at the same time. So we're heading to ruin Wartenfels, and we've kind of arrived in this little, these aren't even villages, you know, they're just random big houses and like farmhouses. And this has actually taken us through a golf course, bizarrely. Who would have thought that there was a golf course around here? But it's really nice, really hilly, mind you. Check it out. If you see up there, I don't know if you can see it on camera, I'll try and zoom in. There's a pathway and then there's a cross on the top. That's quite high up, that is, to be fair. Tell you what, you need some calf muscles to play golf around here. Starting to get in the zone now. Even though I've hardly had any sleep and I am quite knackered. Sarah's quite knackered too, but we wanted to get out and do something today, this afternoon. So yeah, the idea was to walk round Lake, what's it called? My brain's gone to mush. Fuschl am See. That was a 10k walk. Hold on to the camera, Sarah.
It was actually 7 miles.
You could point it at me if you wanted.
It was nearly 8 miles.
Was it?
Yeah.
So keep recording. That's an 8-mile walk. However, we decided not to do that. But you know, in my effort to get better at travel vlogging, I've got some information on the lake, believe it or not. Right, let's keep walking, Sarah. So my information on the lake is actually it's 12k to walk around that lake. It should take 3 to 4 hours, it says here on my instructions. Do you know that's pretty much the cleanest lake in this area for drinking? You can literally just scoop your bottle up and just drink that water. It's that clear. It's 4.1 kilometres long, 1 kilometre wide, and the deepest part is 66 metres. The one advantage about Lake Fuschl as well is that there's no big towns around it like Lake Wolfgangsee, where you've got St Gilgen, St Wolfgang and Strobel. There's hardly anything around this area at all. It's really quiet, really chilled. It's just lush, and it's there.
It is.
And that is beautiful. All around the Alps in Austria, you got these signs painted on trees to let you know that you're going in the right direction. Actually, it's getting a bit bloody steep now. We've gone out of the traps pretty hot. I've had to stop. Blowing out my arse now. My ticker running 10 to a dozen. Sarah's just left me. Look at that. So onward we travel. I've got a third wind now. Here's some sort of sign. We're heading up to the castle ruins, which is somewhere around here. We've got to go up another hill. But yeah, look, it's just a beer garden plonked in such a perfect position. Honestly, you've just got to love Austria. You've got to love it. There is nothing not to love about this place. Everything's so clean. Everything is where you want it, but yet it's retained its natural beauty. We've reached it, and I tell you what, we have had to work our calf muscles to get here, because that was I am cooked after that, I'm not gonna lie. But we have reached the castle ruins. They're right in front of me, guys. This is what you're presented with.
Nice view.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, more stairs. Get up these stairs. I'll show you what's up top. Wow. Oh my God.
Let me just get somewhere where I'm not blind.
Look
Oh
at
wow. That's incredible.
Holy shitballs. Holy. Oh my God.
Oh, there it is. That's where you can go up through there. I'm not sure I've had it.
Guys, look at this. Oh wow. What a view. Well, I have to try and get down here. Try and get down here without spilling my Red Bull. Super chuffed we come up here now rather than walk around the lake. This is just amazing. I mean, you got to be sure of your footing when you're walking around here. But I wouldn't let that put you off, because it's so much worth coming up here. There's one little section I haven't looked at.
Oh. We've got jelly legs going down there.
Have you?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
Calves are blown to buggery off this walk. Just popped out near the bottom of the mountain. Here's a view of the golf course and the lake in the background. Doesn't it look beautiful? So much to look at. You don't know where to put your eyes, so you just kind of stare at it. Well, we've made it back down to Fuschl am See, and that was a wonderful little hike and find. The castle ruins, you'd never see them from down here either, but it's definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. So peaceful. It's beautiful. That's where we've come from, over there somewhere. Right, so we're going to get the bus now back from Fuschl am See to a little area called Strobel. Then we're going to change buses and then go back to St Wolfgang. But I hope you enjoyed the first video of this week long that we've got in Austria. We're going to be doing hikes like this every day, and I want to bring all of them to the channel, so I hope you've enjoyed the first one in this series. Give it a like if you haven't already done so. Comment below, let me know what you think of this area, Fuschl am See. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next one.